Hey, take a look at that. There appears to be an updated version of Show Control. Hey, social media manager, should we make more content in relation to this? I think that's a yes. So let's check everything out. We are going to be working on a specific scenario in the club, right? So let's take a look at our run of show over here. 10 p.m. start, and we're going to play 3 intermission assets, right? Pretty much on the hour, but on 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, and at 1:45 a.m. close for QR code. So the way we've set it up is that we've separated Resolume into these columns here. The first column is going to be 10:45, second 11:45, and then so on and so forth. So over here, right, we have it synced up, and if everything's working, it'll be hands-free. Let's test that out. Boom, it is, right? So a couple things are happening. We're using the offset so that we can't accidentally, what happens if we click on the wrong column over here, nothing bad happens, right? It just stops, right? But if we go back to the original, right, and just in case something happens, we can jump in right on there. We don't have to deal with any of that. If we skip forward, it's still in sync. If we spin back, it's still in sync. Everything is working. What do we think about that? Cool. So let's try it with another song, and indeed, it works, right? So then key thing, time code offset 2, right? That's working. And then just to be thorough, should we be thorough? We're gonna be thorough. Go into number 3. 3, excuse me, did you bite me? Anyways, 3, we're gonna bite back with some hyperpop. Okay, so 3 offset works, right? The other call out was, after these intermission songs, we wanna play a QR code at the conclusion, okay? So how do we do that? 1:45 comes around, is someone gonna manually play a song that's synced to a QR code? No, we are. And the new viewer, right? This is the updated version. Current time, very useful. This is our timer, which you could also set to a clock. This is the current BPM, and this is to make sure that the time code is being received. So all very handy things. This has changed from last time. So right here, right, timer duration, we'd normally set this up for 1:45 a.m. in the club. Since we're not, we're just gonna play it back right here, okay? And then keep an eye on that. We play it back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, we get QR, right? Right on time. What do you think about that? Okay, so in that case, right, this song will be done, right? QR code, everyone ends the night, they scan the QR thing, everyone's happy. We kept the show bullet-proof, tight, and everything's working out. So that is a way to run your show, run new time code, run more content for your social media manager, who apparently she very much cares about this. But yeah, so far so good with the new version of Show Control. I'm gonna test out for night for a couple hours, and hopefully everything goes well. So new technology, it's working out. QR codes, managers, CDJs.